Are you recording?
Yeah.
Hey kids!
Hi boys and girls, we're here with my daughter Mary, and she's going to be reading to you today In the Rain with Baby Duck. And this is a special book because when Mary was little, your age, and even a little bit younger, I used to read her the story Off to School, Baby Duck, except we called it Mary Duck. So today she's going to read to you about Baby Duck in the Rain.
Alright. In the Rain with Baby Duck by Amy Hest, illustrated by Jill Barton. I'm like so full I can't even like...
Do you want a blanket?
Nah, I'll be good. Pit-pat, pit-a-pat, pit-a-pit-a-pat. Oh, the rain came down. It poured and poured. Baby Duck was mad. She did not like walking in the rain, but it was Pancake Sunday, a duck family tradition, and Baby loved pancakes. And she loved Grandpa, who was waiting on the other side of town. Pit-pat, pit-a-pat, pit-a-pit-a-pat. Follow us, step lively. Mr. and Mrs. Duck left the house, arm in arm. Wet feet, wailed Baby. Don't dally, dear. Don't drag behind, called Mr. Duck. Wet face, pouted Baby. Water in my eyes. Mrs. Duck pranced along. See how the rain rolls off your back? Mud, muttered Baby. Mud, mud, mud. Don't dawdle, dear. Don't lag behind. Mr. and Mrs. Duck skipped ahead. They waddled. They shimmied? Yeah, they shimmied. They hopped in all the puddles. Baby dawdled. She dallied and pouted and dragged behind. Oh, my fingertips are frozen. She sang a little song. I don't like the rain one bit, splashing down my neck. Baby's feathers soaking wet. I don't like this mean old day. Are you singing? Called Mr. and Mrs. Duck. What a fine thing to do in the rain. Baby stopped singing. Grandpa was waiting at the front door. He put his arm around Baby. Wet feet, he asked. Yes, Baby said. Wet face, Grandpa asked. Yes, Baby said. Mud, Grandpa asked. Yes, Baby said. Mud, mud, mud. Oh. I'm afraid the rain makes Baby cranky, clucked Mr. Duck. I've never heard of a duck who doesn't like rain, worried Mrs. Duck. Is that a fact? Grandpa kissed Baby's cheek. Grandpa took Baby's hand. Come with me, Baby. They went upstairs to the attic. We are looking for a tall green bag, Grandpa said. There it is. I can't move my fingers. Finally, they found it. Inside was a beautiful red umbrella. They were matching boots, too. These used to be your mother's, Grandpa whispered, a long time ago. She was a baby duck who did not like the rain. Baby opened the umbrella. The boots were just the right size.